How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This is a quick episode. This is a customer vehicle. I'm installing a roof rack on a Hummer H2, and this is between 2006 2010. You can see the Hummer right there. And quick little video in case you wanna install this. This video is not sponsored. The owner bought this roof rack, and I'm just installing this. It's really easy. The only thing that I was kind of confused at the beginning on these instructions was this part, and I'm gonna show you in a minute in the car. But basically with the instructions, really easy to do the roof racks. You can see mine over there, I still have the roof rack and really well. But this one from Garvin, really good rack, and very heavy, very solid. If you take your time to get the and read the instructions, you're gonna see the this is gonna make the job easier. I'm just gonna give you a few tips. Follow the instructions, uh, and to put these ones in the instructions said that to put this little metal on the bottom, you have to drop it and pick them with another bolt, the bigger bolts, and then once you have it up, you can put this little, I believe it's 6 millimeter, with a locking washer and flat washer, and then once you put that one, remove the other long bolt, and then you can install this one with the washer and the locking washer. What I did, I removed this little car. You just pull it out, pry it out, and what I did, these little screws that the Hummer came from factory with those. What I did, I just put a long screwdriver in this side and loosen up all the bolts on the rail. That's what I did, so I don't have to be struggling with this thing. I lift this one up and I was able to put the whole bracket because I assembled the bracket before I put them inside, and it was really easy for me. It was not difficult. By removing this one, which is really easy, you just spread it out. You're gonna have enough room to slide this one. Just make sure that you keep the bolts loose. So that's what I did, and then I just tighten them up all the bolts, make sure the rack stays straight on both sides. What I'm doing right now, I'm just putting these rails on the rack and I'm gonna be done with it. And really easy. It's 10 rails across. I just measure, it's 5 inches on the first one, then 5, and then on the next one is 2.5. 2.5 on that one. The next one is gonna be 318, and then 5, and 318 on that one. And I'm gonna do the same on this one. I haven't put in the bolts on the bottom. This one has the bolt, the locking washer, and the flat washer. They all goes from the bottom. You can tell the goes right here, and then just put them in there. But you have to measure on this side, then go to the other side, measure the same, and then start putting those on that side, and the second, the rail, and this one's finally. It's not very difficult. The thing is that it's heavy. If you want to do it by yourself, like I did, I put all the pieces on top and I start assembling one by one at a time, going all the way around. If you have a body to help you out, you can just put everything together on the bottom, bring it in here. But the first thing that I did, I keep these brackets loose. All the brackets were loose. I put this piece first, then the two in the middle, and then the other one on the front, and then I start tying everything up. I would say if you want to do this kind of jobs, it's gonna take you pretty much 4 or 5 hours. More if you do it by yourself. If you don't have experience, probably the whole Saturday. Like right now, I'm by myself and I'm doing this. So far, I've been doing it for 5 hours. Try to figure it out, and doing it because by myself is really hard to do. But I'm gonna give an update as soon as I finish. Following the instructions is really easy, and coming along really good. So there you have it, guys. This is how you install this roof rack in the Hummer H2. And I couldn't film everything because it's a customer vehicle, and like I said, you're gonna need tape measure for this. The bolts on the bottom are 11 millimeters. These bolts are 11 as well, and these ones they're gonna be 15. The small ones right there, they're gonna be 14. And make sure that it stays level with the truck. You can see you have to have a tape measure. This one come out pretty much straight. It came out a little bit on this side, but I think if you can see that rail right there is not straight, so that's what messed up the alignment. Not much that I can do. That's the build quality is okay. It's not perfect, but overall come out pretty good. This is the tools that you're gonna need. Because I didn't have another 11 millimeters, I used 7/16 for the bolts on the rails on the side. You're gonna need also an Allen wrench. The Allen wrench came with the kit, but I use a 4 Allen key. But I use this 4 Allen key with my ratchet, so I tighten up everything easy. And I use another 11 millimeter for the bolts on the bottom of the rails, which it was pretty easy too. For these ones, you're gonna need the 50 millimeter deep socket, because if you have it the regular, it's not gonna fit once you tighten them up. So guys, I hope you like this one. Just try to make something simple. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.